Alright, so we're going to do the first ever Rambling with Phil opening of the box video. This is the box that the Curt tow hitch came in. Obviously it's a rectangle. But like I said, this is the first ever out of the box video. So here we go. Hopefully I can open the box okay. As you notice, it did come with this air hole ventilation, because you want to make sure the Curt tow hitch gets here in one piece. And I guess they do put a lot of glue on here, make sure it doesn't come out of the box on its own. Can't have an escaped Curt tow hitch running around the UPS or FedEx facility. I don't remember who it was that delivered this. Wow, this is it's definitely in there. Alright, so we're still trying to open this thing up. Now watch out, the hitch escaped on the other side. Got a little scratch. Alright, we're bringing in the big guns. Definitely helps. Now at this point in time in the video, you might be wondering why I don't just grab a utility knife and use that. Well, the reason is I'm not sure where my utility knife is. Nothing like a little bit of brute strength to get something open. Say hello to my little friend. Okay, here we go. There's all the glue. I don't think there's any specific pattern. Alright. Alright, so what's in the box? Piece of paper. Tells us what's in the box, so we can put that in the recycling bin. Another piece of paper. See that? Another piece of paper. Tells you what's in the box, just in case you didn't realize that the first time. Alright. Lucky for us, they included some foam to protect the hitch. Not only one of these, there's actually two of these. And guess what? They're nowhere near the hitch. Well, they're near the hitch because they're in the box, but they didn't keep the hitch from doing anything. Or rather, moving around. So these things are going in the garbage. In case you're wondering, sealed air, although there's foam in it. I guess foam's mostly air. So now we're going to pull the hitch out of the box. Usually these things are pretty heavy. Well, I know they're heavy. So it's going to take a little bit of effort to pull it out of here. I'm going to have to use two hands. If you have friends, it'll be nice to get some help. But, friends only come when there's free food. Alright, so here's the hitch. And actually when you mount it, it's going to be like this, with the receiver on the bottom. I've wrapped up the receiver in some tape, I guess, to protect it. And they've also wrapped up these crossbars. Now on this end, these are the plates that are going to attach to the side rails of your car. Not sure if that's the correct term for them, but here's the bolt holes. These are the bolts that we're going to remove from the side, 2 on each side. So, and then, not that you're going to be able to see it from there, but there is a weight rating on this tow hitch of 3,000 pounds, 3,500 pounds. Alright, so that's it. It's kind of heavy. I want to take this, put it behind the car, or at least near the car. Still got to get that exhaust down, but now I'm going to show you, once I get the exhaust down, how I'm going to do this all on my own.